Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you CapCut video editing tutorial. CapCut is one of the most popular video editing apps. You can use it to edit videos in your mobile. I'm gonna show you how to use it step by step, but it's only for the beginner. Once you are able to run it, you can also learn a lot after this. So let's start. At first, you have to open the CapCut app. And in here, tap on new project and then choose the video or photo that you want to edit. You guys can choose more than one video, or you guys can choose one video as your main clip. For example, I will choose this video and then tap on add. And in here, you guys can mute the audio by tapping on mute. To choose the formation of your video, tap on ratio, and in here you guys can see a lot of options. You guys can choose according to your choice. For example, I will choose this one and then go back. To change the resolution of your video, tap on here, and in here you guys can customize the resolution. Also, you guys can customize the frame rate. And right now I'll show you how to trim footage. For this, tap on edit and then tap on split. In that way, you guys can cut or delete, and also you guys can add any other video over this video. For example, I'm gonna cut this video. After customizing it, then tap on the footage and then tap on delete. As you guys can see, I have deleted the clip. And right now, go back. And now I'm gonna show you how to add overlay footage. For this, choose the part where you want to add overlay footage, then tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay. And right now choose the video that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna choose it and then tap on add. And in here, you guys can customize the volume of the video. You guys can zoom in and this video, and also you guys can put this video like this. But I'm gonna zoom it a little bit. Now let's customize the video. You guys can press and hold of it and put the video where you want, and also you guys can split and trim the video like this, and then customize the timeline. And you guys can also add animations into this video by tapping on animation. In here you guys can see a lot of animations, and then choose the animation that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna choose it and then tap on the check mark. After it, you guys can also add effects to the main clip. Just choose the part where you want to put the animation. For example, I'm gonna choosing this part and then tap on animation, and like the previous process, choose the animation that you want to put and then tap on the check mark. Now let's go back, and in here, time to add text. If you guys wanna make a title for your video, this might help a lot, and it's also useful for the ending tutorial. For this, tap on text and then tap on add text. And in here, write the text that you want to add. And right now, just write the text that you want to add. For example, I'm gonna write tutorial, and then you guys can see style, effects, bubble, animations. Just tap on style and you guys can choose the style that you want, and then tap on effects and then choose the effect that you want. And also you guys can see bubble, and then choose as you want, and then tap on animations. Just choose the animation that you want and then tap on the check mark. You can also customize the timeline of this title, like when it will disappear. You can also press and hold of it like this. And now it's time to customize the timeline. For example, I'm gonna put this title for a little while, and after it will disappear. You guys can also extend it up by holding it and then like this. And then after this process, I'm gonna show you how to add effects. You guys can add effects into your video and also into your audio. Now I'll show you how to add effects on video. For this, let's go back and then tap on effects. Now tap on video effect, and here you guys can see a lot of options. At first you guys can see the trending options, and just tap on the option that you like. For example, I'm gonna choosing it and then tap on the check mark. Like the previous process, you guys can also customize the effect by holding it, and you guys can also extend the effect. Now let's go back, and right now I'll show you how to add audio. And for this, tap on the audio, then tap on sounds, and in here you guys can see a lot of sounds. And for example, I'm gonna search a song or the name of the singer like this, and then search the sound. And in here you guys can see a lot of sounds. Then choose the sound that you want. After this, tap on the plus icon, and you guys can also customize the audio layer by tapping on this, and like the previous process, you guys can also split it, and also you guys can fade it, and also you guys can adjust the volume. I'm gonna show you how to split it. For example, tap on split and then tap on the audio. After this, you guys can customize the audio like this. See? It's so easy. Now let's go back. And in here, you guys can also adjust the speed. For speed adjustment, tap on edit and then tap on speed. In here you guys can customize the speed of this video, or you guys can choose the clip that you want to adjust the speed, and then tap on speed, and by tapping on curve you guys can customize the speed, but I'm not gonna doing it for this. Let's go back, and right now I'll show you how to add filters into a video. For this, tap on filters and then choose the filter that you want. And you guys can also customize it like this. Then tap on the check mark by pressing it, and you guys can also customize the filter like the previous process. Now let's go back. In here you guys can see they have added a ending. If you guys want this, then you guys can take this, but if you guys don't want this, just tap on here and then tap on delete. If you guys want to add your own ending, just tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay. And for your ending of the video, just choose the video or photo that you want to add, then tap on add. As you guys can see, I have added an ending for my video, and in here you guys can also add text just like the previous process. For example, I'm going to write thanks for watching and then tap on the check mark, and also you guys can adjust it. It's all the same process. Now let's go back. Once you have done the changing, if you guys want to remove the changes, just tap on here. And if you guys don't want it, just tap on here. After doing this, if you're satisfied with your editing, just tap on the download option. Now they will save your changes. And this process, you guys can also edit the videos through CapCut app. See how easy it is? Now they are gonna exporting it. It will be saved on your device. Now it's ready to share. You guys can share it to TikTok app and also in Instagram, WhatsApp and also Facebook. Now tap on done. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like this video. See you with another video. Till then, stay well and stay safe. Bye bye.